This is Bob Davis 321, working with a CNC 3018 Pro. In the foreground you can see just a mess of garbage, and now you see it's drawn a nice ruler. The difference is I calibrated the current, or actually voltage, on the 8825 drivers to about 0.8 volts, which is 1.6 amps. So they're no longer overheating. My pen, though, is apparently dried up quite a bit, so it's not writing very well. That time it didn't write at all. Here, I'll cheat a little bit. I'll stick a ruler underneath. Oh, that created too much tension. Of course, my pen is just held in with a piece of tape, so it's not all that accurate. It seems like in the instruction manual they should tell you calibrate the 8825 drivers for the correct current. It's a little CNC test program called Ruler, and all it does is draw a ruler. But that tells you you've got your X and Y steps per whatever calibrated correctly. Steps per millimeter. Well, looks like it's working good. I'm just going to do the box around the ruler now. I think it's only a 6-inch ruler that it draws. So we'll call it all for now.